Sidney, I understand that you taught your first course on tax research and you're a master of tax research. Are there any secrets you'd like to reveal about tax research?
Sure. I think it's terribly important for practitioners to realize that a very important part of the tools that they need to be outstanding practitioners is to have the proper books or to know about the proper books. And the world is changing from the time I first talked to practitioners about a book. I pointed out years ago that if you're billing out at $300 an hour, your time is worth $5 a minute. So when a client asks you a tough question, if you can get your answer right away from a book, you are saving yourself money because your time is worth money. And the important thing is most practitioners are not investing in books, and they didn't before. And they don't know what books are out there that help them. For example, there's a classic book, Bitker and Eustace. It's published by Warren Gorham. Now Warren Gorham was taken over by Thompson, and it's the Bible in the field of corporate taxation. Having a book like that can be a terrific door opener to understanding how to go through a corporate liquidation or a divisive reorganization. If you are doing work with an area in the estate planning area, there are loads of valuable books that are important. Now, the thing that you should realize, research has changed today. With new technology, you're not using print products anymore. And a lot of the material you don't even have to pay for. The Joint Committee, for example, publishes a general explanation of the tax law. No sooner is a bill passed, the people who wrote the law come out with the general explanation of the Joint Committee on the new tax legislation. So you get all of this material for nothing. There are all kinds of articles and books that the different accounting firms make available. There are articles in the magazines that relate to the new legislation. For example, the next issue of the CPA magazine, the next issue is going to have an article on the new extender legislation and how to plan through 2016. So it's very important to realize you get a lot of this material for almost nothing. And it's now, with new technology, a wonderful opportunity. And the point that I think is very important is no one is going to do the reading for you. The person who takes the time to master these new changes is the one that's the leader in the field.